NVTS stock analysis and NVTS stock prediction. What I'll be doing here is showing you my exact play and everything with Navitas Semiconductor stock. Ultimately speaking, man, this is really bullish market for me, but it's not something that I'm immediately going to get involved and buy, you know what I mean? So having done well over 42,000 videos over 5 years, I have seen what's making me money and what is not. And when I say this, it's all documented on my YouTube channel. No one else has showed up here and done 42,000 videos. Here's the proof of the first win. I'm just looking to double down by buying more, but this is only really going to happen if there is a double break. So how's that going to look like? Well, very briefly, only if this takes place. And if not, then I guess I'm not buying whatsoever, you know what I mean? So that's how NVTS is looking like. I do have previous receipts in the Discord, of course. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails. And also I'll keep you updated with NVTS. That's kind of the fastest way to stay tuned, at least from my end. Counting this as a demand zone, which is very clever. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, Ninja.